Hello everyone, and welcome to your channel name. In today's video, we're diving into an essential topic for anyone trading in the Forex market: how to calculate profit and loss when using leverage. Whether you're a beginner or looking to refine your skills, understanding this concept is crucial for making informed trading decisions and managing your risk effectively. What is leverage in Forex? Leverage allows traders to control larger positions in the market with a smaller amount of capital. For example, with leverage of 1 to 100, you can open a $100,000 position using only $1,000 of your own funds. While this can amplify your profits, it also magnifies your potential losses. Step-by-step guide to calculating profit and loss. Understand your trade parameters, asterisk position size, the amount of currency you're buying or selling, asterisk pip movement, the smallest price change in a currency pair, asterisk lot size. Standard lot sizes are: standard lot equals 100,000 units, mini lot equals 10,000 units, micro lot equals 1,000 units. Determine the value per pip. The pip value depends on the lot size and the currency pair. For example, in EUR, USD, 1 pip in a standard lot equals $10. Calculate your profit or loss. Formula: profit, loss equals pip movement times lot size times pip value. Profit, loss equals pip movement times lot size times pip value. Example: you trade one standard lot, 100,000 units, of EUR, USD. The market moves 50 pips in your favor. Pip value equals $10. Profit equals 50 times 1 times 10 equals 500 USD. 50 times 1 times 10 equals 500 United States dollars. Factor in leverage. Leverage doesn't change the calculation itself but impacts the required margin. If you used 1 to 100 leverage for this trade, you only needed $1,000 to open the position. However, your profit/loss is based on the full $100,000 position. Important tips for managing leverage. Use stop-loss orders. Always set a stop-loss to limit your risk. Avoid over-leveraging. Stick to a leverage level that aligns with your risk tolerance. Monitor margin levels. Ensure you have enough margin to avoid a margin call. Open your Forex account today. If you're ready to start trading Forex with a reliable broker, check out the best and most trusted Forex brokers through the link in the description and pinned comment below. These brokers offer competitive spreads, robust trading platforms, and excellent customer service to support your trading journey. Enjoying this video? Support the channel. If you found this video helpful, give it a like to show your support. Share it with your friends who are interested in Forex trading. Subscribe to the channel for more educational content like this. Have any questions or need further clarification? Drop a comment below, and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
Here we go! I see the light inside you, brighter than the skies. Hold on, just let us escape and fly away tonight.